Welcome to Quick Red.
Alright, here's how this works. You'll get a multiple choice question on the screen, and you'll have 5 seconds to lock in your answer. Think fast, your countdown starts immediately. After that, I'll reveal the correct answer, followed by a quick rationale so you actually understand why it's right. And don't skip too early, because the explanation is where you'll learn the most. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. What is the unit of absorbed dose? Correct answer, gray. Measures energy absorbed per kilogram of tissue. Question 2. Which interaction is dominant at low photon energies? Correct answer, photoelectric effect. Low energies photons are fully absorbed, especially in high atomic number. Question 3. What does KVP control primarily? Correct answer, A. Beam penetration. KVP determines photon energy, which affects contrast and penetration. Question 4. Increasing MES will? Correct answer, B. Increase photon quantity. MES controls the number of photons produced, not their energy. Question 5. What is the half-value layer, or HVL? Correct answer, D. Thickness reducing beam intensity by half. HVL reflects beam quality and penetrating ability. Question 6. Which interaction produces a scatter radiation in diagnostic imaging? Correct answer, C. Compound scattering. It is the main source of scattered degrading image quality. Question 7. What happens when distance is doubled? Correct answer, C. Intensity becomes 1/4. Remember the inverse square law. Question 8. Which factor affects the geographic contrast the most? Correct answer, A. KVP. Higher KVP produce low contrast and vice versa. Question 9. What is the unit of radioactivity? Correct answer, C. Becquerel. Equals to 1 disintegration per second. Question 10. Pair production occurs at energies above. Correct answer, C. 1.022 MeV. Hey, nice work! We're already in the half of our question. If you're enjoying so far, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, let's continue. Question 11. What does filtration do? Correct answer, D. Removes low-energy photons, improves beam quality, and reduces patient dose. Question 12. What is SLAP, or linear energy transfer? Correct answer, A. Energy loss per unit distance. High lethargization causes more biological damage. Question 13. Which radiation has the highest SLAP? Correct answer, Z. Alpha particles. Heavy and highly ionizing, short range but high damage. Question 14. What is the purpose of a grid? Correct answer, B. Reduce scatter. It improves image contrast by absorbing scatter radiation. Question 15. What is a stochastic effect? Correct answer, C. Probability increases with dose. Sample of these are cancer risk and genetic effect. Let's have a break. I'm super proud of you going this far. Now, this last 5 questions will be harder. Are you ready? Okay, let's continue. Question 16. Which change will most reduce patient dose while maintaining image quality? The correct answer, B. Increase AVP and decrease MAS. Remember the 15% rule concept. Question 17. What is the primary source of subject contrast in the radiography? Correct answer, C. Differential attenuation. Contrast is created by differences in how tissues absorb X-rays. Question 18. Which condition increases the production of scatter radiation? Correct answer, D. High KVP. Higher photon energy increases Compton interactions. Question 19. What is the relationship between frequency and wavelength? Correct answer, B. They are inversely proportional. As frequency increases, wavelength decreases. And now for our final question. Which principle explains why doubling MES doubles exposure? Think carefully. Correct answer, D. Law of reciprocity. MAS is directly proportional to radiation quantity. Now that's a wrap on our 20 radiology multiple choice questions focused on radiation physics. Great job! Now I'm curious, how did you perform? Drop your score in the comments using the keywords provided. And hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Let's keep learning together right here on Quick Red, and I'll catch you in the next video.